Welcome back everyone in this new live development video about building an auto battle game. In this video we're going to make it so that when we over an enemy unit, the outline is red, because right now when we over an enemy unit, so I really don't like this green stuff. So when we over an enemy unit in combat, it's showcasing it in green, and we want it to be showcasing it in red. So we're going to do this real quick, but first we're just gonna remove that pesky ugly green we have here, because I really can't stand it. Yep. So we're fine with this. So how are we going to do this? It's actually quite easy. When the unit gets focused, the player is going to ask what is the, when we focus the units, we're going to ask what is your hosted player, get owning player, and we're gonna grab our own player state, get state. Don't we have a reference to our player state? It's strange that we don't have it here, but it doesn't really matter. We're going to build one. Gets player state ref, which is going to return an in player state. This is going to be a return value. This is going to be a pure function. We're going to promote that to a variable, player state ref, like this. If this is valid, we're just going to return it. Else we're going to grab our player state and cast into an in player state like this. We're gonna store that reference and we're going to return it. This way, when we actually, let's move this in unit focus, find focus unit. Yep. When we focus the unit, we're gonna grab this and set focused. Well, yeah, we're just gonna grab this and set stencil, set custom depth stencil value mesh in here. We want to say is the owner the same than our player state nickname. We're going to select. If it's the same, we're gonna say 0. If not, we're just gonna open up the outline 249 else 250, like this. So they are green, it's fine. If we go to the combat phase, oh, that unit is still green, yet the owner of that unit is not us at all. 249, let's try 25. If it's the same 250, let's try 251. Oh, mesh. We're grabbing the mesh here. Oh yeah, but that's not, we're modifying this when the unit gets focused. Let me guess. Yep, we're setting this here, so we don't want to be setting this here. And we were good with the 249, like this. So this guy is an enemy and this guy is ours. Yep, so that's what we wanted. And what? And what? We're gonna make it so when we focus, we can't focus units, a unit which is dead. So in our in-game player controller, when we focus the unit, where is it called? I know where is it, but I just wanted a quick way to find it. Set focused square. We're focusing the unit there, so we don't care about this, because we won't be checking dead units in here. find focused units. So we're casting into a combat unit. And if that unit's dead, get status, get state. If this is not equal to dead, it means we found a unit here. Which means we won't be able to click on dead units. Let's try that out. Yep, but it doesn't unselect the unit we were already focusing. So we just need to do that real quick. How can we do this? When we focus a unit, we're going to bind ourselves to the states on state modified function on focused unit states modified. This is going to be units and unit state new state in unit. We're going to create an event here on focused unit state modified, and when we unfocus a unit, we're going to unbind ourselves to that event. Like this. We're going to create unfocused events, unfocused unit state modified. If the unit we are focusing is dead, we're gonna unfocus unit like this. Let's go. Seems to be working. And we'll do some other stuff real quick. We'll make it so when a unit dies, we're gonna make this the next video, I guess. I'm just gonna write it down. We're gonna make it so this I want to make it so when a unit dies, it attracts less attention by modifying the emissive value of its material, and by making the skeletal mesh fall through the floor a bit. Death decay units, we're gonna call this. So yep, we improved focus a bit, so it's going to wrap up that video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.